Lord, I'm just grateful that I got to wake up today. You take my worries and hurries and fade them to gray. You have good plans for me, that's what you say. That's how I know everything is gonna be okay, yeah. We're gonna be okay, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah. We're gonna be okay, yeah, yeah. I stayed up late scrolling on my phone, cause I said I needed space to be